$1, 25 cents. Let's see what I have for food today. I am here at Siem Reap. Let's come to buy. Trai trai ơi, mi mà cà lô mà vô mi bay khăm. Ờ, bay khăm mà trai trai. Bay khăm, pi phòn. Two 2,000 real for 3 cup. This is 1 kilo, 6,000 real, but I buy 2,000 real. And now we still have 3,000 real. So I will buy a vegetable or egg. I don't know. Let's check. Maybe I go buy the pork. Trai trai ơi, vô sạch trụng bạc khám. Yeah, we buy 1 cup. Because 1 kilo is $5 and 1 cup is a pipon half. Now I come back. I buy vegetable with this one. Thing is we have 500 real because now we spend 4,500. So with 500 real, I will buy egg. For one egg, 500 real. Chai chai tính phong một crop. Còn now 5,000 real. I got noodle, pork, and egg. So let's go home to cook. Now we arrive home. So let's cook. So first we clean this. Clean vegetable. Take cube. $1, $1, 25 cents. Cambodia is 5,000 real. We buy this. Let's cook. I like to clean the pork first. So I like to clean with the salt. And after we clean vegetable. Let's get what I'm going to cooking. I have this and duck egg, wax egg. I'm going to cook noodle. Yeah, pork, noodle pork. Yeah, very yummy. Number 1. So first we cut this. Garlic for cooking. I'm going to cook noodle, pork noodle. So yeah, garlic is important for cook pork noodle. Yeah. So now we're going to chop garlic. And this one we clean already. This one I have for the noodle. Smell good and delicious, yummy. We start now to cook pork noodle with the $1, 25 cents. 5,000 real for Khmer. Yeah, we put this is oil. I use this oil because it's good protect the heart And we're going to put garlic. Yeah, the garlic smells so delicious, smell nice. And when the garlic already like this, we start to put the pork. Yeah. So this is the salt. We put a little salt. Ajinomoto, little. And I use chili, the chili, dry chili. Yeah. Cambodia called tắc xỉu. I don't know what English called. Sometimes too much fire. Just slow down. Little sugar. And don't forget put a little water also. Cooking noodle. Don't forget this one. Make a noodle very delicious. If you have carrot, you can put mix the carrot also. Wow, smell delicious. And egg. Wow, let's see with 5,000 riel. $1, 25 cents. Let's yum yum. I very excited with the food. I noodle. This called pork noodle. Yeah. So let's try. The noodle in Cambodia, they have two different, but I prefer the noodle they make new. They just make today, and 1 kilo only 6,000 riel, and I buy 3 for with the money that I show you everyone. And for the egg, I buy the whack egg only 500, and everything is fresh and with vegetable. You want to see more cooking like this? Check the video.